Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating whether this is a hardware or software problem. First, power down and inspect the arrow key or controller stick for grit or damage. Press it several times to free any debris. Once done, plug in a known working keyboard or controller and test the arrow. This tells you if the device is faulty. Make sure to note your operating system and current driver or firmware version. You'll need that for targeted fixes and reinstalls. You now tackle software conflicts and driver issues. Close or disable any macro tools, remapping utilities, and accessibility aids that could capture arrow input. Next, open your device manager or vendor app and uninstall the arrow/key driver, then reinstall the latest version from the vendor. This clears corrupted driver entries. After installation, install any firmware updates for the device, reboot, and verify arrow behavior. Finish by tuning system settings and applying recovery options. If arrows respond but are inconsistent, adjust keyboard repeat rate, sensitivity, and any accessibility toggles. These often change behavior. If the problem began after an update, roll back the driver or use a restore point to undo it. Finally, if testing confirmed hardware failure, replace the switch, keycap assembly, or controller module, or switch to an external device. If nothing works, try this one key tip. Boot from a live USB to confirm hardware failure versus OS corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.